Good morning, gardeners. I was walking around this morning when I spotted a little butterfly I had never seen before. It reminded me of a cloudless sulphur, but it was much too small to be that. I couldn't identify it on the fly, but after downloading my videos, enlarging some screenshots, and checking them against my butterfly books, it was clearly a Dainty Sulphur. It was about a third the size or smaller of a cloudless sulphur, and its markings and coloration on its upper and lower wings are also unique. Let's take a look at what I've learned about it so far. In my yard, it consistently hovered around the Damianita daisies, which are not even in bloom right now. The Butterfly Guide by Jim Brock says its host plants are asters, while the Butterfly Book by Heath and Clark identifies sneezeweed, beggar's tick, marigolds, and other members of the sunflower family. Here's another curious fact about it. In good years, large numbers migrate from the south in spring, but it does not tolerate cold weather, so it may be absent here in Southern California for several years at a time. Maybe that's why I've never seen it before. As you'll notice, it has distinctive coloration and markings on its wings, but because it's so small and its flight pattern so darty, all you'll be able to see is a small yellow butterfly that looks vaguely like a cloudless sulphur. Well, that's all on the Dainty Sulphur butterfly. From here in Fullerton, California, this is Rob Briggs, waiting for our hot and dry 5th season to end and the rains to come in October. Here's hoping we get some decent rains in our rainy season. We really need it.